Welcome back to my kitchen, everyone. On today's menu is a very simple dessert called Ambrosia salad that has been requested a few times on my channel, and I thought I'd give it a go with a relatively refreshing take on this classic American dessert. So let's get into it. First up on the prep list, you're going to toast some sweetened and shredded coconut flakes in a large saute pan that's on medium to high heat until they're a golden and dark golden color combo. Just be careful not to burn them, so keep them moving. Once the shredded coconut is properly toasted, place them onto a sheet tray to cool down. Then you're going to open up a can of coconut cream, add that to a bowl with a bit of sugar along with the toasted coconut flakes, and give that a good mix until thoroughly incorporated. Next up is the sweetened fruit portion of the dessert, and this can vary depending on who's making it, but traditionally there tends to be a base combo of oranges, strawberries, pineapple, and cherries, but you're more than welcome to add or subtract according to your palate's desire. I tend to stay away from the canned stuff and prefer fresh fruit that is slightly macerated in a bit of sugar and its own fruit juice to create a refreshing and sweet finish to the dessert. I also stay away from cooking the fruit to preserve some of the crisp fruit factor, but make sure to let the fruit sit in the syrup to soften and create a really good, unique syrup. As a side note, I'm using Ambrosia cherries for the cherry component since cherries just aren't available at all during this time of year, but maraschinos tend to be the traditional route when it comes to this dessert. Once the fruit has been properly sweetened, all you need to do is whip up a simple chantilly cream with a bit of caster sugar and vanilla paste or extract for the creamy element within this recipe. Some like to mix in a marshmallow ingredient or sour cream to this as well, but I'm keeping this on the lighter side. Now that everything seems ready to go, it's time to plate this up. First thing down will be the toasted coconut cream with a little bit more of the toasted coconut flakes on top for added texture within the dessert. Then you can either mix all the fruit or place them strategically around the dish in layers to keep them as individuals to enjoy throughout the recipe. After that, add a few dollops of the chantilly cream and a few more layers of the syrupy fruit to finish. A drizzle of that cherry syrup right over the top and a final touch of toasted coconut to garnish, and this ambrosia salad is ready to be enjoyed. I tend to shy away from desserts like this personally, but when they're made with fresh fruit and freshly whipped cream in a way that highlights each flavor, I would have a hard time resisting the opportunity to enjoy a relatively simple and thought out dessert. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, please drop a comment to tell me what you thought, and make sure to hit that notification bell for future recipes. I'll see you guys next time with another dish. Later, folks.